Hey, hi all, welcome to my new course on LLM Security Fundamentals. And this will be an introductory course on LLM security. It will basically build your foundation on LLM security, LLM which stands for Large Language Models, and how to have a security first mindset when you deal with the system in terms of implementing the security, or if you are a developer developing those systems, how can you bridge the core of security and without missing it, because it's a key pillar, and we need to give certain importance to that. With that, let me just introduce myself. You should know me because I'll be walking you through the whole of this course, which is on certified LLM security professional. And I am a certified LLM security professional, recently completed this certificate and from Red Team Leaders, and I'll be guiding you through uh, the content which I have practiced through, which I have prepared for achieving this certification, right? So I'll just quickly give you an introduction about myself. My name is Vipul Tapi. I'm a cybersecurity practitioner focusing or specializing on AI and LLM as well as SIM and SOAR solutions, specifically Microsoft Sentinel. My background is in security operation and threat detections, working in real client environment. And I tend to focus things from AI security lens most of the time. Whenever I build some agents, I build some agents or leverage AI for security and security for AI. Both of the aspects of AI security are important for me, and I tend to practice them in real world. And I'm a certified LM security professional, and I built this course around exactly what I had to learn to secure modern AI system, prompt injections, jailbreaks, AI agents, MCP, and the governance framework regulators are now which are in demand. Now here's a promise to you: no fluff, no hype, no heavy math. I'll explain why AI breaks, show you how attackers exploit it, and give you the practical hands-on skill to defend it the same way I learned, just a lot faster. Now, securing the AI system the world now runs on. Every company is racing to deploy AI. Almost every. You can see from ChatGPT to Gemini to Claude, they are there's a there are multiple AI platforms, right? Almost none of them know how to secure it. In the next few hours, you'll become the person who does, who knows this, right? So we should understand the security aspect of AI, which is very key. You can do the deployment, you can minimize your effort using AI, but security is epitome and you should not be missing on it. So that's what I'm going to bridge through this particular course which I'm going to create, or which I'm creating right now. At the moment we are in is LLMs are now embedded in search, email, customer support, coding, healthcare, you name it, everywhere AI is embedded. Even in your Word, PowerPoint, we have Copilot, right? So it is a form of AI. So AI is everywhere. You are going to leverage it to minimize your efforts, and we need to ensure that security is something which we cannot afford to lose on. Now, organizations are deploying faster than they can secure. The deployment is faster for sure, and almost everything is getting disrupted with the AI ingestion in place. But we need to understand that with deploying AI faster, we need to understand that we cannot negotiate on the security part of it. A brand new attack surface exists that traditional security tools don't cover. AI brings new attack surfaces, right? Which we don't know, and these AI sources are not limited to the ethical use. Adversarial mindsets are also using these AI tools, and so hence they are thinking at the speed of a machine. So we need to think of the mechanisms in place, security mechanism is placed so as to overcome the adversarial mindsets, right? So prompt injection, data poisoning are few to name. Model theft, agent hijacking, already happening in the wild. AI adoption has outpaced AI security. That gap is your opportunity, right? Now, why this course? Why now? The reality is LLMs can't tell instructions from data. The consequence is the prompt injection is unfixable at the model level. The reality of AI apps wire models to tools, APIs, and databases. One exploit real world damage. Few professionals understand both AI and security, and massive skills shortage is there. And it's a career which is in demand. And there are regulation arriving like EU AI Act, NIST AI RMF. They are emerging almost every quarter or in 6 months, right? These, and they are getting updated as well. The compliance pressure is rising fast. Companies want to be compliant and they want professionals for this, focusing on AI GRC as well. So there are many facets of AI security which we are going to cover in this course. Now, who is the key audience? for this course is security professionals like you, me, moving into the AI, into the pen tester sites or SOC or AppSec. They want to move into AI, they can move it. Developers and ML engineers building LLM powered products, cloud and DevSecOps engineers deploying AI workload, GRC risk and compliance teams governing AI, technical leaders responsible for safe AI adoption. Now, what makes this course different? It is the architecture first course. You will understand why attacks work, not just memorize them. Build around OWASP LLM top 10, which is the key inspiration for this course creation, right? The industry standard framework. Now, hands-on interactive labs will try. I'll try to fetch labs wherever possible to support what I'm explaining, right? When we go through some concept to understand it practically, we'll go through. I'll search for some exercises if they are there, and you can have an exercise on hands-on exercise on top of it, so as to emphasize the concept in a greater depth. Then end-to-end, from modern internals to app security governance to incident response. This is end-to-end coverage we'll do. Then cutting edge, it covers MCP agents, vibe coding that most courses ignore as of yet. So these are the high level overview across foundation, attack, governance, modern AI and defense aspect of AI security. We'll understand LLM fundamentals and its architecture, OWASP top 10 for LLMs, prompt engineering and jailbreak security, governance and risk management, data privacy and treatment, MCP security, AI agent orchestration, AppSec for AI products, identity access and advanced topics. So these are something which we are going to cover. So I hope I've given you a very high level overview of what we are going to cover in this course. See you in the course. Best of luck.